Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect TaxJar to Etsy for Marketplace Facilitator rules step by step clearly. Start by logging into your TaxJar account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the TaxJar website. Once logged in, navigate to the Connect tab in the main dashboard. Look for the option to connect to your marketplace and select Etsy from the list. You will be prompted to sign in to your Etsy account. Enter your Etsy credentials and authorize TaxJar to access your account. After authorization, you'll return to the TaxJar dashboard. Ensure that your Etsy store is showing up in the Connected Accounts section. Next, go to the Settings tab within your TaxJar account. Under the Marketplace settings, confirm that Marketplace Facilitator rules are enabled. This ensures that TaxJar will calculate and report sales tax correctly according to Etsy's regulations. To verify everything is set up correctly, review the integration details. Look for any error messages or alerts that may indicate issues with the connection. Run a test transaction in your Etsy store to ensure the tax calculation is functioning as expected. After completing the test, check your TaxJar account to review the transaction data. Make any necessary adjustments in TaxJar settings if discrepancies arise. Once everything is confirmed working, you are fully connected and compliant with Marketplace Facilitator rules. Regularly check back on both platforms to ensure continued connectivity and compliance updates. Congratulations, you've successfully connected TaxJar to your Etsy store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.